I just want to show you my willow tree. Last night, Mother's Day, had a storm. I think I had a tornado over the farm here. I mean, seriously. This tree gets hit every time there's a storm. I mean, so, it's not worth crying about here. I mean, look at that big branch. And there's another branch up there, and you can see this thing is a target. And how it's still alive. It started out as a little stick 20 years ago. And it's actually, you can sit in there even. It's beside the point. I'm out here looking at the damage. Okay, 1, 2, 3 branches at least. Plus down this row, there's 7 more way beyond the steel bands. I honestly think I had a little twister here. Haven't heard anything about it on the news. And I haven't reported any of this, but I'm making a little video, so. My poor willow! No wonder it's called a weeping willow. It's one of them days, guys. It's one of them days. Halo over the my weeping willow. All right.